All right, this is math lesson 3.7, add 10 or more. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can use a 10 frame to add 10 and some more. So we have a problem, and it says Arian had 10 red marbles in a bag and 6 yellow marbles next to the bag. So I'm going to draw a picture and use a model. So he has 10 red marbles. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is called a 10 frame because there are 10 spots. And if I fill up each spot, that means I have 10 in my 10 frame. So I would say that I have 1, 10. So I have a group of 10. And I know that because I see 10, my 10 frame is filled up. So our problem said that he had 10 red marbles in the bag, and he has 6 yellow marbles next to the bag. So I'm going to put out 6 more marbles next to the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 more marbles. So if I were to make a number sentence with that, I could easily write that I know in the 10 frame that I have 10 marbles. I also know that outside the 10 frame we have 6 yellow marbles. So I know that I have 10, and I'm going to count up 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I know I have 16 marbles altogether, or Arian has 16 marbles altogether. Here we go. So we have some problems to do. So let's try these with our counters. Hold on. Oh my goodness. There we go. So I know in this one that I have 10. So I'm going to put out my 10 counters. 1, and I'm going to, since I know that I have 10 plus 4, I'm going to fill up the 10 frame, and I know that I have 10. So here is our 10 in our 10 frame, and it says 4 more. So 10 and then 4 more. 3, 4. So I can say 10 and count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I know that I have 14. Here we go with the next one. It says 10 plus 7. So once again, I'm going to get 10 and fill it up. Because if I fill up a 10 frame, I know that there's 10. So now we have 10 in the 10 frame, so we need 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I like to lay them out and put them right next to the columns like this so that I can see an extra 10 frame in my head. So I know I have 10, and I'm going to count up 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I know that I have 17. 10 plus 7 is 17. So let's go to the next one. I see 10 plus 3, so I'm going to fill up my 10 frame to have 10 in the 10 frame. And I don't need to count those because I know that if I fill up a 10 frame, I already have 10. We have been working on looking at a 10 frame and figuring out the dots and the spaces. So I have 10 in my 10 frame now, so I'm going to do 3 extra. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. So let's go ahead and count and see what we have. We have 10 in the 10 frame, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3, 10 and 3 are 13. And let's do our last problem. We have 10 plus 8. So once again, we're going to fill up the 10 frame. If we fill up the 10 frame, we know that we have 10. We don't have to count. We just know that a full 10 frame is 10 altogether. So here we go. There's our 10, and it says I need 8 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's count that. I know I have 10. I don't have to count these because I know I have 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I know that I have 18. I know that 10 plus 8 is 18. Here we go. All right, what is 10 plus 1? If you said 10 plus 1 is 11, awesome job. What's 10 plus 5? 10 plus 5 is 15. And if you notice, when I add, I actually add going down. And I'm going to add going down. So I have 0 and 5 is 5, and 1 goes all the way down. So let's try this one. What's 10 plus 9? If you said 19, awesome job. Once again, let's look at that. I add going down. That's why I line up my numbers. And if I look, 0 and 9 is 9, and then the 1 goes straight down. So what would 10 plus 2 be? If you said 12, awesome job. Great job doing math today.